Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So today I had to replace my windshield wipers, and it only lasted about 5,000 miles on the OEM wiper blades. So I went and got some Bosch Icons, and this is how you place the car into the wiper mode, so it'll be easier for you to replace your windshield wipers. So the first thing you need to do is turn on the car, turn it right back off, and then hold the stock up and release. So you got to hold this up, which is your wiper stock up, and hold for 3 seconds, and now your wipers are up. All right, so that's the quick tip for the day. Easy to do, and then you can replace your windshield wipers. And then once you're done, turn the car back on and pull back up. All right, have a good day, y'all.